Hi friends, this is Mohammed Gibran and welcome to our Java tutorials. In this video, I'll be explaining you a program to generate an Fibonacci series. So let me select a new class file. I'll give a name of Fibonacci and just clean the mess up. Now, so what actually is a Fibonacci series? It's a series which has the first number as 0 and the second number is 1, and the next number is obtained by adding the previous two numbers. So 1 plus 0 will be giving you result as 1, and again the next number is obtained by adding these two numbers, that is 1 plus 1 will give you 2. Then again the next number is obtained by adding these two numbers, that is 2 plus 1 3. So the next number will be obviously 5, then 8, then 13, and likewise you can get the Fibonacci series. So we'll write a program to generate the series. Okay, so we'll be requiring some variables. We'll leave it for now with the first variable. Let me say a, and as we know, the first variable's value should be 0, and we need another variable whose value should be 1. Okay, and now we'll be adding up the variables as we require them. So first of all, I will be printing the first two numbers, that is a, and the next number is b, and then I will be using an for loop. So the for loop will work on a variable that is I, and here I will initialize I to be 0. I should be less than 10 because I want my Fibonacci series to give me only 10 numbers, and my I should increment every time. Okay, then in that what I will be, just a second, lost it somewhere here, and then in that I will say I need to add these two numbers. So for adding these two numbers, I'll require a variable sum whose value again I will initialize to 0. Okay, so now I will say my sum will be equal to a plus b. Okay, then I will again print something. What I'll print is the value of sum, which means once I print 0 and 1, then I will adding 0 plus 1, that is 1, and I'll again print the 1. So when I printed it, then I need to swap the values. So my a will become b and my b will become the value in sum. Okay, so now let me run it, check if my program works. Yes, it do. You can see my program says 0 1, 0 plus 1 is 1, 1 plus 1 is 2, 2 plus 1 is 3, 3 plus 2 is 5, 8, like it's still 89. It gives me 10 numbers in my Fibonacci series. Okay, so and suppose if I want to take the last value, that is number 10, if my user wants to get the Fibonacci series till 20 numbers, so for that I will be requiring an input from the user. So for that I will use something called a scanner in java.util. Scanner. Okay, and now we'll be using this scanner to get the value from the user. we'll say scanner star equals new scanner, which will take the value from system dot in, that is system's input device. For this example, our input device will be the keyboard. Then I will say to the user, enter the n value. Okay, and I will store that value in n. How I will store that? I will say n equal to sr dot next int. Okay, and now I will change my for loop should work according to n. Now let's run it. Wait till it executes. Oops, this line should be over here. Okay, fine. Now I run it again. Now it asks you for the enter the value of n. Let me say 5, and now here you have the 5 numbers in your Fibonacci series. So this was a brief program to explain you the Fibonacci series. I hope you understood the program, and thanks for watching the video.